hell, man. It's extremely rough. But that's what they call the rough masonry. I'm assuming that's why they gotta call it the rough, right? Because it's rough. What happened? You alright, bro?
Rough masonry.
Oh shit. Okay.
You feel me?
Okay. So you super rough.
Rough masonry.
What is it? Rough and trucking, rough masonry?
Yep, rough dog.
Throw an LLC in it just so they know you're serious.
That was up for them haters.
So rough and truckers masonry. What building is this? This is a bell tower. It's a bell tower. Check out my previous uploads. You'll see where we already did one side over there. That one's completely done. We just finished that one up yesterday. We tore down the dome, the cross, and everything. Hey, thank you, Scorpion. Much love to beautiful Australia, all the way from the land down under. Yeah, we're out here in the United States, in the USA. We're out here working. We're far away, man. What time is it in Australia? Look what time it is. What time is here? It's 3:35 p.m. It's 5:05 a.m. What the heck? Dang. So it's already tomorrow where you're at, right? What day is it over there? It's Thursday, June the 12th here. Is it the 13th over there or is it the 11th? Oh no, is it still the 12th? What is it, tomorrow yet or is it still today where you at? Does that make sense? We passed the prime meridian? Or are we behind the prime meridian? Anybody else watching? Y'all understand what my question is?